The famous Binance platform is a cryptocurrency trading platform that was founded recently around 2017, and expanded to occupy the first place, and Forbes magazine gives it the best cryptocurrency trading platform. But, is it that safe and good platform? In terms of security, since it is the largest, this makes it more vulnerable to piracy, but the company has only been hacked once in 2019. And was stolen from its investors only about $40 million. But the fear of a hack attack decreases when you know that Binance insure itself and its customers if an attack occurs on the platform, and indeed, when the hack attack happened in 2019, the amount was refunded to those affected, and this is an excellent point in favor of Binance, and surely with the increase in volume, money and profits come to improve and secure the network more compared to their competitors from other companies. But dear viewer, if you choose Binance or any other platform, crypto or even stocks, it is always better to use two-factor of authentication in order to reduce the possibility of hacking your account. And for crypto in particular, it is preferable to have a digital wallet or a hardware wallet. Now let's talk about the cost of the platform. Binance are by far the cheapest. It means that the highest cost will be on you through Binance is 0.1%, and this figure is considered very, very cheap compared to competitors. For example, Coinbase platform fees range from 1% to 4%. And not only this, the Binance fees can be licensed and reduced further if the amount of trading is relatively large, or if you subscribe through a specific link or trade through their digital currency Binance Coin. And a quick note, dear viewer, it may help you that you can save money and reduce fees by transferring the money to be invested from your bank directly to Binance instead of using a credit card, which may be a little expensive. It is natural to ask yourself, if the platform is cheap in this way, how do they make profits? Surely something is wrong. I assure you that their profit is natural and comes from the huge quantities traded through the platform. Finally, with regard to the currencies on the platform, there are many, almost 800 currencies, meaning almost all the basic and important currencies that you may need to invest in, and if you do not find the required currency on Binance, think twice before buying this type of currency. This means the altcoin is weak. And in terms of the user interface, many investors and traders in cryptocurrency have recommended Binance for the ease of use of the platform, but at the same time the possibility of complex technical analysis through it. The only problem with the platform is the customer service, which is said to be very poor, but most of the time you will not need it. It is possible only at the beginning. And so, dear viewer, you learned about the #1 platform for crypto trading in less than 5 minutes. Do not forget to give us a like and share the episode with your family and friends. Rashad was with you, the presenter of your weekly program Hit the Road to Fire. See you soon.